Continental Ranch is the neighborhood to be in. This updated 5-bedroom home will make you feel relaxed the second you arrive home. A versatile downstairs room is perfect as an office, den, or creative space. All bathrooms have been tastefully upgraded with quartz countertops and designer tiles. And new laminate flooring and fresh carpets enhance the house's warm and cozy feeling. The stylish kitchen boasts custom tile, new stainless steel appliances, and an open feel. Imagine ending your day at this turnkey home. Contact us at Ell Group today to see how we make buying and selling real estate easier, simpler, and better.